Hello guys, my name is Krasimir Panayotov, and in this quick video I want to share with you my thoughts on gold and how you can trade it. So as you can see, the gold was trending for a few weeks upwards, making only new higher highs and higher lows. So what we can see is that 2 weeks ago we had a massive pullback to this support zone. As you can see, it was resistance in the past, now turned support. And in the previous week, we saw this beautiful push to the upside and then pull back to the current range or consolidation zone. And I want to draw back your attention to the 4-hour chart, because here I have drawn some important zones, and as you can see, there are some important places which I have checked earlier. So what we have here, it was a massive push to the upside. We broke this resistance and we consolidated for a while before the new higher high. It's actually ultimate high, and we then pull back very quickly. So here a lot of traders, a lot of big banks, institutions started taking profits on gold, and this was the reason for this massive drop to the support zone. From the support zone we had this massive 4-hour engulfing candle, which I also took as a buy trade, but I saw it
earlier and I saw it as a weakness on the chart, on the 1 hour chart.
So I took a buy somewhere here and take a good profit on the lower time frames. Later we had this flag pattern on the 1-hour chart over here. I can draw it to you so you can see. After the breakout we moved pretty strong to the upside to the previous two resistance zones. We stopped at the higher resistance zone, and from there the market created the double top pattern right here. Here's the double top, and then pushed down to the lower support zone. Now what you can see is a consolidation for a while. So here we have a big consolidation box, but it's important to see that the price reached the top, it broke the resistance, but couldn't close above and closed right here. So this is important candle. The price went up, closed under the resistance or on the resistance, which means it was a rejection for the price to go up, and the price then
just dropped down. Okay.
What we can expect in the next days, next hours, and so on. I personally expect the price to continue pushing down to the previous zone before any going any pushback to the upside. If we see a nice buy setup here, buy signal here, we can take a buy trade and take profits on these previous zones. And don't forget that gold sometimes love to respect trends. So here you can see some possible rejection also of the trend. So this is my opinion. If this trend gets broken, we definitely will go to this previous zone and then probably to the ultimate high to make a double top or make even higher high. In this pandemic, in this time of unpredictable markets, gold is pretty valuable asset to put your money in. So a lot of people, a lot of banks, a lot of institutions are making this super massive high price of the gold, because as you can see, for 2 years the price of the gold went from to $1,200 to the 2,050, I guess, 100, yeah, something like this dollars current price. Now a little bit lower, around 1,950. Okay guys, so this is my opinion on the gold.
Now, dear friends,
I want to share you my opinion on Euro USD. So let's go back to the daily. We see another big uptrend to the upside. See some sort of channel here, and current consolidation. We have these daily zones drawn here. It's actually weekly zones of resistance, of course, and support. So if we zoom in, we are on a current zone, and this is why this consolidation is happening. But what I expect personally to happen in the next days is the price to go back to this previous support zone right here. Let me show you on the 4-hour. To this previous support zone. As you can see here, we have the trend line ready to be touched, ready to become support again right here. And from somewhere here, we can look for bullish signals to open a buy trade. Such bullish signals can be the engulfing candle. You can see one example right here. I love to trade this. It can be also pin bar candle, like this one over here. It can be any pattern that you like to trade, any candlesticks pattern or any other setup which you like. You know, some people love to trade the moving averages. I don't personally love this, but I really like to trade price action, and this is what I'll be looking here. So we have the trending channel right here. So what we can see after this engulfing continuation candle is the price to continue going down to this previous low or to the support zone, and from there we can try to break this trend, and if we break it, we can head to the previous highs right here, and why not even to make a new higher high on the daily and meet this next resistance or the higher resistance on the weekly, where the price was stopped right here in the past. Okay guys, so this is my view on Euro USD and gold. On GBP USD, my look is pretty much the same. I expect a little bit pull back to this support zone right here, and from there maybe to look for buying opportunities to these previous highs or to these previous resistance zones, where we can take our profits and look for sell opportunities, or why not even another buy opportunities to the next weekly daily zone. As you can see, here will be another nice daily zone. So after this zone, if we continue trending up, we will stop somewhere here, then somewhere here. But before that, as you can see, the market is always choppy, up and down, so we can see a lot of movements as above, as below.
now I wish to everyone good luck, happy, successful, fulfilling trading week. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.